Okay guys, good afternoon everybody. Now we have this question on the revision that we are doing, question 3 on September 2023. Is that in paper? Question 3 now it's saying the values up below are the consecutive terms of the quadratic sequence. So they told us this is a quadratic sequence, and then they're telling us the fourth term is 49. So we don't have a first term, we don't have a second term, we don't have a third term. Our terms start at 49. This is 49, and then 77, and then 111, and then 151, and then it continues. And then from here they're telling us this is quadratic. So my only suggestion, let's find the other terms that are from here. Since we know this is a quadratic, they've already told us this is a quadratic, we can start by saying 77 minus 49, which gives us 28, and then 111 minus 77 minus 77, which is give us 34, and then we know that 151 minus 111 give us what? Give us 40. Now we know that in a quadratic the first difference acts as what? As an arithmetic sequence, and then from there we need to say 34 minus 28 give us what? 6, and then 40 minus 34 give us what? 6. So we know this is our quadratic. Now we need to go back now. So when you go this side we minus. So now going from here, coming here, from here, coming from here, from here, coming from here, we all know this is 6, this is 6, this is 6. In order for us to find this, to go this, we add. We are saying 28 plus 6, we get 34. So for us to say, we need to say 28 minus 6 in order for us to find this one. So it's going to be 28 minus 6, we get what? 22. And then coming from here, this and this going here is 22 minus 6, we get what? 16. And all the nala, we're saying 16 minus 6, we get what? We get 10. And also here, when we go from there, finding this, we're saying 49 plus 77, plus 28, sorry, plus 28, and then we find 77. Now going back, finding 49, we're going to say 77 minus 28 to get 49. And then from here, finding this one, we're going to say 49 minus 22, then you get what? 27. And then from 27 minus 16, now going back, we're going to find what? 11. And then 11 minus 10, we're going to find what? 1. Now I hope you saw the reverse of our sequence comparing to going forward of our sequence. Now the first question, which is 3.1, it's saying determine the third term of our quadratic. We already find our third term of our quadratic, which is 27. So our T3 is equal to what? 27. And then 3.2, now it's saying determine the general term of our quadratic sequence. So now it was very important for us to find the reverse terms on the other side, because we're not going to answer this question if we didn't do that. Because now we're going to say 2a is equals to 6, which is this part here. Then we divide by 2, we divide by 2, and then a, which is 6 divided by 2, give us what? Give us 3. And then we say 3a plus b is equals to this term here, first term of this arithmetic sequence, which is 10. Then 3, you already have a, which is 3, and then plus b is equals to 10, then b is 10, 3 times 3 it's 9, and then minus 9, b is equals to 1. And then we're going to say a plus b plus c, which is equal to the first term, which is 1. So if we didn't have this first term, we're not going to find our formula. So our a is 3, and then our b is 1, and then plus c is equals to 1, and then c is equals to 1. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, then going to the other side it's minus 4, and then c is what? It's minus 3. Then our Tn is equals to a n squared plus b n and then plus c, and equals to our a is 3, so it's going to be 3a squared, and then our b is 1, so it's going to be a n, and then our c is minus 3, so it's going to be minus 3. I hope everyone understand. I hope so. Okay guys, our last part of our question now, it's saying, which is 3.3, between two consecutive terms of the quadratic sequence is the difference of 418. Two consecutive terms. So now, tackling this question from they gave us this quadratic, how do you find the two consecutive terms? You take this first difference of the quadratic. Since we know the first difference of the quadratic acts as an arithmetic sequence, and then now since this one, we take this as arithmetic, this one is going to be a difference of the arithmetic. Now we take this sequence, now find the nth term of this sequence, which is going to be our Tn into a plus d into n minus 1. Then from here, our a from this sequence is what? It's 10. And then our difference is going to be 6, and then n minus 1. And then 10 n times 6 is 6n, and then 6 minus 1 just minus 6. And then 6n, 10 minus 6, it's what? It's plus 4. So now there we are looking for two consecutive terms. So we're looking for what? For n. So they've already gave us 418. So 418 is going to act as our Tn. So we're going to have 418 is equals to 6n and then plus 4. And then from here, we are looking for what? For n. So we take this 4 on the other side. So it's 418 minus 4, which is equal to 6n. So we're going to have 418 minus 4, which is 414 is equal to 6n. And then from here we divide by 6, since we're looking for n. So n is what? 414 divided by 6, it's what? 69. So which are those two consecutive terms? We already found one, which is T69. This is the first consecutive term, and then the second one, it's going to be the following one of 69, which is going to be 70. T70, two consecutive, they are following each other. So 269 and T70, those are the two consecutive terms that we were looking for. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.